Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Today I am sharing the recipe of watermelon juice. Homemade, fresh, cold watermelon juice is such a treat on these hot summer days. Today I made this for iftar. My family thoroughly enjoyed it. It was so nourishing, refreshing for our iftar. So for this you just need some watermelon, of course, lemon juice, you can use lime as well, and blender. So first scoop out watermelon and put it in your blender jug. Since I'm using a seedless one, so I'll be using a bigger one, a bigger scoop. But if you have the seeds watermelon, just take the smaller scoop and de-seed it. Then squeeze some lemon juice or lime juice in your blender jug. Now it's time to blend your watermelon. You can add water in there. I used like around a quarter cup of water in there just to make it like a juice consistency. And then if you want, you can add sugar or honey in there too. I use a teaspoon of honey in there. And that's it. Refreshing watermelon juice is ready. I garnished it with some mint leaf and lemon, and I let the mint sink in there so I get a hint of mint flavor in my watermelon juice. Do try this at home and let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make that happen for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your Ramadan. Please do remember me and my family in your prayers, and I'll see you with yet another yummy recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't want to miss any update, don't forget to subscribe. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest.